Okay, hello everyone. I'm Lenny from Nocoly. Tonight I will share more Nocoly use cases with everyone. Let's start the live broadcast. Okay, I will act as the company's HR manager and put forward more requests to Nocoly. And last week, Desi made a very simple app to quickly generate public forms from collecting external data, like resume. And this function is also very useful for collecting user suggestions and like the complaints. When managing, we need to managing external context data such as collaborating with suppliers. We used to send Excel templates by email, and the suppliers would reply, and we had to download and process the data one by one. Okay, which we was efficient. With Nocoly, this work can be more quickly. Okay, after data is collected, we need to organize and manage and use it. This week and this Tuesday night, we left to learn more Nocoly operations to better utilize the data. Okay, let's log first. We can log in Nocoly. And we can click on the app on the left. We can see the apps is on here. We only have one apps created by Desi last week. And we need to copy a new apps. And here is a new app. And if you as an app admin account, you can quickly copy the app by clicking and creating a new app with the same design, but there is no data, it's empty. Okay, let's use this new app for today's lesson. Change is color, modify, we can change a color. I like green. And we can also name to basic, sorry. Oh, I need to change my keyboard. Okay, basics. Control. Okay. Look, if you modify the app icon's color to green and the entire interface's color will change. And now let's look at some basic operations that don't require development or configurations. These functions are available once you create a form, which is why Nocoly saved over 19% of development time. Okay, let's enter the app. With only one form now, you will want to create groups to categorize forms as the system groups. On Nocoly, you can add groups at the top here. You can add a group. Let me name this group resume. Okay, and more groups like staff, you can click here and add a new group. Maybe this, I can name this group as staff. Okay, and you can create, let's back to here. And we can also add more groups and subgroups like here. Here is the second tier. Maybe it's the application. Okay. And I can also choose an icon. And then you can drag and drop the form into this group and open it. Yeah, it's here. So you can create a lot of group, the first tier group and the second tier group to management your apps if you have a lot of forms. Okay, back to the form. Since this is a copied app, it has all configurations but no data. Let's learn how to quickly upload data. We can click here, and here is a button, import from Excel. And we can import data with Excel or CSV file. We can select file. Okay. I have prepared a file on my desktop with candidate names. Let's open it. Let me show you the Excel. Okay. Here, Excel I already prepared and include the name, email, and like the current job title, current company name. And we back to here. We can click next step. Okay. The app will match the first row at the header. Here is the header. If you want to adjust it, you can choose another row as the header. We can choose back to this header. And you can click here to next step. Okay. Nocoly will match the Excel files header names with the format header names. You can here is a file name from the Excel, and this file name header is in our form there. Okay, if matched, the data will be imported directly. If not, you can modify the matching. For example, if this name in Excel doesn't match name in Nocoly, you can adjust it. And maybe you can adjust the email, import to the full name. Okay, we change back. Okay, you can also import special values, like here is a single select. And if you select this empty, select it, here is information. When selected, a new option will be added if there is no match with existing options. If not selected, the import will be blank. Yes, we don't select it. Okay, there are more options like identify duplicate records. And you can set which field to check for duplicated. You can select here, maybe the full name, maybe the email, and maybe the phone number. And you can choose to skip or override or update only. We choose the skip. Okay. And here is another option is skip error data. If checked, incorrect data, maybe the name, maybe name or email, or where is the name? Yeah, it's name. The name cannot be select. Maybe the email, maybe the phone number. Okay. And here also a trigger workflow. This trigger workflow button maybe we will cover in later lessons. If you often use this import configuration, you can save it. You can select it and save the import configuration. And you can also choose users cannot allow to modify default settings. Confirm. Okay. Let's check again. Everything is done. Okay, start import. And here is also a data import confirmation. And confirm. Okay. Here is a notification, view arrow, report. Okay, we're looking back at the file. We can see these two phone number, which row? 3 and 7. 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Okay, the phone number. It seems like the row 10. Okay. And I think these rows will skipped. Refresh here. Okay. We import 8 row data successfully and skipped 2 rows. You can also download the error report if you import a lot of the data and check where is the error. Okay. Let's continue with more operations. First, adjusting column within the header. We can use this to change the width. And when adjusting, you can click this button to save the form style changes. If you save, all users will see the changes here. And when I move to every header here, a black icon appears. Clicking it and will display many options. Let's try sorting first. Yeah, I can sorting every header. Okay. Each column can be sorted differently based on data type. For example, we can sort name by first letter, or we can sort work experience by value here, by value from 2 to 9. Okay. And next, we try to hide a column temporarily. Here, hide. Maybe we need to, the address is so long. I want to hide it. Okay, then I can check every detail. Okay, this setting only affects you and until the page is refreshed. And this page, you need to refresh all the page and address will appear again. If you only refresh the view, they won't be back. Okay, let's refresh again. Okay, next I will show you how to use the filtering. Here is a filter, and we can click filter. Let's how to clear it. Back. Okay, now filtering. Click the filtering button to get an input box. For example, if I filter you, I need to filter the candidate with 3 to 6 years of work. Another phone number here. From 3 to 6. Okay, it's done. And you can add filter groups to combine criteria from multiple columns. Let me add another filter, and maybe education level, master degree. Okay, we only see this guy, and he years of relevant experience is from 3 to 6 is 4, and education level is master. Okay. And if you often use a filter combination, save it. You can save it with a name. You can save it here. You can click here and name it. Maybe A. And you can choose personal or public. If I choose personal, confirm. Okay, let's back. Next time I can click here and use this filter very quickly. Okay, different field types have different field conditions. For example, work experience here, work experience. Yeah, you can use the value to filter. And if I use a time, maybe a time, where I have a time. No. Okay, I can click here and choose a system time, maybe a correction time. And here you see you can select today, yesterday, tomorrow, or today. If I select tomorrow, it's empty. Okay. Okay, here also have a search function, allows precise searches across all data express attachments. You can search the content in the attachment. So we can search here maybe the Emma, right? And we can search maybe a address like the, let me use the Queen's. I can search, oh, 3 guys live in Queens Road. And I can also search maybe a manager. Okay. Yeah, it's done. Okay, now let's look at functions for a single data. We can move to here, click it, gives options like copy and share and print. Let's use the share function first. You can share this link to the internal member access. And if you want to share this record to the public, the external user, you can switch this, turn on this function and get share link and copy maybe this QR code, click to download and And you can also let the external user how long they can access this record, and maybe you can set a password. Yeah. Okay. We can also print the record by by QR code or barcode here. It's very useful for asset management. You can scan these codes with the Nocoly mobile apps. After this lesson, you can download a Nocoly apps and try to use Nocoly apps to scan this code, and you will find it's a digital page. It's real time, yeah. Okay, let's try to delete the record. If we delete a record, we can find the data in recycle bin here. We move to here and click the recycle bin. Yeah, we can find the record we have deleted, and we can also restore to the form. Yeah, normally the data stays in the recycle bin for 60 days before permanent deletion. Okay. For batch operations, select all data on a page or in the entire form. You can modify, copy, you can edit, copy, print, and export. And like import, you can export info by Excel or CSV. Okay, you can choosing which headers to include, just like importing. Maybe I want to download the course with full name, email, phone number, and address. Okay, like import, you can also save export configuration. You can also select users are not allowed to modify default settings. Confirm. Okay, export. Okay, you can download now. Let's open it. Yeah, it's a very beautiful worksheet. Okay, back to Nocoly. Yeah. Okay, now let's copy a lot of the course. Yeah, to double and double again. One more time. One more time. Oh, it's too many. Okay, it's enough. I will show you how to set the maximum number of data entries per page. Here, if I set to 20 rows, you can only see 20 records in this page. If I change to 30, okay, it's here. Yeah. Okay, now let's click here to find more functions. A print button in here. You can click here. Here is a print button. And this button can print the data with a preset template, including here, including a scannable QR code here, and you can customize the print content and style. Maybe middle, maybe large, and if you need to show your company name, you can click here, like adding a company logo. Because I don't have a logo, so there is empty. Okay, you can just print and use your printer. Okay. And here, the comments and logs are also very useful. Use comments to discuss with colleagues. Like if I want to ask Victor, can you call this guy for next week interview? And let's wait a moment. Maybe we will receive a notification very quickly. Yeah. Okay, where is Victor? Yeah, he replied me. Yeah, got it. I can just press here and see this record detail here. And I can also reply again. Haha. Okay. Let's go on. Oh, sorry. And we can also check all changes in detail by log function. If I change the years of experience, maybe change 5 to 10 and save. Let me refresh it, the log. And here show Lenny change the experience from the 5 to 10 and just now here. And here can showing who modified what and when, very detailed, and cannot be changed and edit. Okay, we back to app. Back to app. Here is a add record button. We can click it, and maybe fill in some data. Phone number. Okay. Okay. 2, education level. Okay. You can submit directly or save as a draft. Save draft here. And all drafts are saved here. Let's fill in again. And if you when you fill in multiple interests, the windows stay open. Let me submit this one and try again. Okay. Let me check. Okay. If I submit and the next, press here and the window will stay open. Yeah. And you can create a new record again. Okay, I think it's fine. How many? Yeah. And if you click here, keep as default, your last submissions data will be retained. And you see, okay, submit. Oh, it's done. Okay, I submit maybe 1 to 4 for new records. Okay, you can also rename the add data button, change it to here. You can click here. Edit name and no, not here. Where? Okay, customer. No. Oh, maybe our product team move this function to another way. Let me check. Here. You can. No, not here. Here. You. Okay, we skip it. I don't know where's the way to edit the name of this button. Okay, we will cover the many basic functions operations tonight. They can be used directly, and system admin account user can control every function. In the form editing functions, admins can click the more settings, and here is the function switch. The admin account user can switch features like logs. Maybe if I turn off the log function, maybe comment, maybe the comment, where is the comment? Yeah, if I turn off it, close, we cannot use it. Yeah, we can find the button to comment or view the log. Okay. I want to find the way to change the button. Data name. Oh, here. Yeah. Add resume. Okay. Close. Okay, it's done. Okay, we have covered many basic functions operation tonight. This is all for tonight's sharing. Nocoly has many ingenious designs. If you want to use these functions, please contact us or follow our YouTube live sessions. Thanks, everyone. Let me check the comment. Okay. Is there any question to me? We wait 1 minute. Yeah. Here also some new functions I didn't display to everyone. Like here is a description for this app. Yeah, you can edit your app playbook in here. Maybe here. Only HR manager can edit the app. Save. Okay. Here's a information icon, and if you move your mouse to here, the description is showing. Okay, thanks everyone. Today's Nocoly Live is end. Thank you. Goodbye. Good night.